How to remove recently used images in desktop background history in Windows 10 or 11. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can remove recently used images in desktop background. Now to check your recently used images, right click anywhere on desktop and click on personalize. Now click on background. Here you will find recent images option. Now if you want to delete these images, then what you want to do is click on the search bar here, search for run. Now type Regedit and press enter. Now you want to select H key current user, then click software from here. Now select Microsoft. Now select Windows. Now click on current version. Now click on Explorer, then select wallpapers. Now you want to select the reg values that you want to delete. Select that and then delete them. Go ahead and click on yes on this box. Once you have deleted it, now if you go ahead and check, the recently used images will be removed. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.